Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to weld shapes in Photoshop step by step. Let's begin. Step 1. Draw any shapes and again click to this corner. Combine shapes. Again draw. See this? Combine and step 2. See this? Shape 1 and shape 2. You can use multiple shapes. Then first step will place your positions. Then hold Ctrl, select your shapes or multiple shapes, then right click on your mouse, mark shapes. Okay, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.